Good morning. I'm gonna talk about travel to Rome. I'm gonna talk about the history, but I want to talk more specifically about the architecture. First of all, the thesis that I want to talk is the ancient architect must be remaining in this place. First of all, the city for a lot of centuries have many changes. Also, the different buildings are like, yeah, it's not like there was designed. And when we talk about the changes, the people use columns or blocks or light systems and things to change the original structure of this place for different reasons. The effect of this can be observed on the new building when cities have different builds and the Greek style of building. And we can see in the picture, the different building has many changes. This is one of the most interesting things about this place. Well, the types of building. I can talk here for many reasons, like the change of this was for many reasons, like the way of entertainment, the type of building, and the different structure and materials. Also, the drawing was influenced by the Greeks, but less traditional. The Renaissance type of building is this, and it was more profoundly affected. Also, the neoclassicisms, okay, we can see here, is not a building style who people use in 2021. The fountains, park, and lakes in this area have more spaces and is different inspiration of built from classical and medieval. Well, for concluding ideas, and when the population meet the American and the European most postmodern style, and the Greek architects changed the way of the structures was on the path to a modern style. Some buildings were made in marble or concrete, or different cheaper types of materials that don't decrease their quality over the time. We can see here a little of architects now in 2021 in Greek. And solution, I think one of the solutions can be, here's the solution. The possible solution, people who live here could make a specific place where the travelers and the citizens can learn and see the culture. Also make an architecture system where the modern structure be combined with the old one.